Hey everybody out there, this is Miranda. An independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories, and I'm with Fabulous $5 Bling. So hey, this here video is for my team Fabulosity, and I'm letting all of you in on how to shop wholesale with Paparazzi Accessories. So right now you're looking at my screen. And I'm going to show you how to log in as a wholesale shopper with Paparazzi Accessories, aka independent consultant. So right here at the top, we're going to go ahead and log in. All right, here is where you're going to put in your username, and your username will be your consultant ID. So here's where you're going to put in your consultant ID. And then, of course, you're going to go ahead and put in your password that you have made up yourself. Okay, and so then we're going to go ahead and sign in. So here we go. Here is how it's going to look when you're going in here to shop wholesale. Now, I'm also going to do another video to show you how to shop new releases, how to snatch those hot new releases. But right now in this video, I'm just going to show you how your back office is going to look and, how to navigate yourself around. So here, as you can see, there is a shop button right here on the side. So if we hit that shop button, this is where you would go in order to shop the inventory. Okay, so as you can see, there are tabs here at the top. You have your comfy couture, you have your new unique urban bracelets, Paparazzi boutique, which is mainly all paraphernalia for your consultants, hair accessories, Z collections, earrings. You got your fashion fix, new releases, rings, blockbusters, Paparazzi collections, which is basically everything that you're going to see that are under all of the subcategories, but it's just broken down in collections themselves, necklaces, and your starlit shimmer. Now, starlit shimmer is your children's jewelry. Okay, some people don't like to call it children's jewelry, but it is designed for children. Some adults may choose to wear it as well. So basically, to make this easy to use, I'm going to kind of run you through what some of this stuff means. So your blockbuster pieces are pieces that are always in your back office for the most part. I have seen a blockbuster piece that was there and it's no longer there. So I think that they could remove a piece if they so choose. But blockbuster pieces are normally pieces that you can get at any time. Your new releases, you're going to see that's going to be items that come out Monday through Friday. They release those items. They will remain, some new release pieces will remain. I don't know if it's going to stay there for like 2 days before they start switching them out. But the new releases pieces can be found under the tab new releases, as well as under the individual tabs such as bracelets, earrings, necklaces, and rings. So you'll find them under both categories, but to get to them quickly, when they first drop, that is, you want to go directly to new releases. Okay, now urban is pieces that can be worn for men and women. So that is your unisex pieces. Comfy couture is basically pieces that flow with clothing. I mean, you'll find some of your tassels there, some of your necklaces that are really long there. So it's basically a piece of jewelry that flows with clothing. That's the best way I can describe it. Hair accessories, they're not usually hair accessories under this tab, other than during new release time. So during new release time, which is Monday through Friday, my time, it is 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. That is when you will see hair accessories under that tab. Outside of that time frame, you won't find any hair accessories. Hair accessories normally go as soon as they're dropped. I mean, they go pretty quickly, and not everybody carries them. It's a choice if you decide to carry them. Fashion fix, that's only something that is available if you sign up for Fashion Fix. There is a waiting list for that. It does take a while. If you call Paparazzi and tell them that you would like to be a part of Fashion Fix, they will put you on the wait list. And as soon as a slot is available for you to be a part of it, then you'll be notified and you'll be able to get that every month. I think Fashion Fix will be $80-something a month. It is a monthly amount. I don't have all the details on the Fashion Fix at hand, but if that's something that you're interested in, you definitely want to contact Paparazzi Accessories about that. But for now, you will only see things under Fashion Fix if there are items that hasn't sold. If they just have some, remaining, then they'll put it on that tab. Other than that, you have to be a part of Fashion Fix. Now, Z Collections, those are currently sold out, the 2019 Z Collections, but we are coming out with some 2020 Z Collections really soon. I don't know the exact date when they're going to drop, but here's where you're going to find your $25 pieces. Okay, they're usually what I call the bling of all bling that you're going to find under your Z Collections. And of course, there's going to have some other styles that are going to be very extravagant, if I can say that. They're show-stopping pieces, okay, $25 pieces. You're going to see whenever those become available. Now, what else we talk about? Paparazzi collections, Paparazzi collections. Again, that's just if we click on his for a second. They are broken down in categories in reference to the style of the jewelry. So there's a fiercely Fifth Avenue style of jewelry. There's sunset sightings. There's glimpses of Malibu, magnificent musings, uniquely urban, and simply Santa Fe. So this is basically just styles of jewelry. Whenever you begin to work with a lot of clients and you're selling jewelry, you may begin to learn that their style might fall under simply Santa Fe, or maybe their style falls under the fiercely Fifth Avenue. So this is just a way for you to go directly to the style of that client or clients whenever you're shopping your wholesale, so that you can get things that you know your audience is going to buy. So this just makes it easy for you to navigate, but that might be a tab you may or may not choose to use. These same pieces under this tab is going to be found under all these other tabs, such as the new releases and of course the breakdown of the pieces, like the rings, the earrings, the bracelets, and the necklaces. Okay, so, and the same thing with the urban, uniquely urban. You're not going to find pieces under there that you're not going to find in new releases and over here in Paparazzi collections. I mean, it's just categories. It's the same jewelry. They just putting it in different categories to make it easy for you to go directly to what you need. So do keep that in mind. Honestly, the only tabs that I use on the regular is new releases, bracelets, earrings, rings, and necklaces, and Starless Shimmer. That's it. And every now and then I'll go to Paparazzi Boutique so I can get some more bags if I want bags. And if I feel like I want some little thank you cards, and I might go there for that. I've gone under here looking for certain t-shirts that I just wanted, and they've been out of stock for a while. So, but those are the only tabs that I use on a regular. Oh, and of course the Z Collections. Outside of that, I don't go here. I don't go here. I don't go here. Okay, I don't go here and I don't go here. So, but you'll learn your pattern, your style. So this video is just to show you how to navigate your back office. Now, I'm going to do another video to show you how to snatch those new releases. But for now, let's just take a look under one tab here. Let's go to bracelets, and I'm just going to show you how to put things in your cart. So if I click on bracelets here, okay, here's all of our bracelets that we have available. And when you want something, now I'm on my desktop, as you can see. When you're on your cell phone, it's a little different. It'll have quantity and add. If you just hit the ads tab, it will add one to your shopping bag. Okay, here there's no quantity. So basically, if I wanted this, if I hit add one time, if you look over here, it added one to my shopping bag. If I hit add again, it will add two. So however many times you hit add, that's how many items is going to go in your shopping bag. Now, if you are planning to shop wholesale so that you can turn around and resell, when you see something that you like, you don't want to just get two of it. I mean, at least get, if you plan to wear the piece, okay, at a minimum, get yourself 4 pieces at a minimum. And then this is just starting out. Okay, starting out, you don't have a large, unless you got a large budget. Starting out, it would be wise to stick to at a minimum of 4 of the same item, at a minimum. The reason why I say 4 is because, let's say if you decide that you want to wear this piece, meaning you're going to keep it, I wouldn't advise that you wear it and then turn around and sell it to somebody. Okay, we don't want to do that. If you've seen some people do that, that's a no-no. All right. So, but if you decide that you want to keep one of these bracelets, you'll still have 3 in inventory to sell. If you're wearing it and somebody sees you with it and they want it, you will be able to sell the 3 that you have on hand. So do keep that in mind. If you see a really hot piece, I would say don't get any less than 7. Don't buy any less than 7 if you see a really hot piece. Okay, and we'll talk more about that in another video under the new releases. Okay, so there you see I hit the add button 4 times and it added 4 to my bag. Now, if you're purchasing a small order, I'm just going to add a couple of things in here. If you're purchasing a small order, I recommend you at least get 10 pieces. Why? I'm going to show you. So I'm going to hit my little shopping bag up here. Whenever you get 10 pieces of jewelry, okay, we got 10 in here, right? Okay, we got 10. Whenever you buy 10, you get 1 free piece. So let me just show you right here. So 10 pieces of jewelry gives me 20 PV. For every standard pieces of jewelry you get 2 PV. And we'll talk more about the importance of PV and all of that later, but that's 20 total volume. We got 10 total pieces. Subtotal is $27.50. I hit checkout. Okay, I'm not going to buy this. You're going to have a shipping charge of $5.95. Okay, $5.95 is going to be your shipping charge. Whenever you spend over $99, shipping is free. Okay, so here we got $5.95. Let me see if it's going to show me I have a free piece. Did it show my free piece? Where is my free piece? Okay, let me go back. It don't show me that I have a free piece here. Okay, for every 10 pieces you get a free piece. Where is the free? I don't see it. All right. So anywho, I'll figure it out in a minute. So as you can see, it'll show me everything I got. You store your cards in here. You definitely want to save you some cards, especially when you're shopping the hot new releases. You want to have your cards saved because you got to move quick. All you're going to have to do is add in your 3 to 4 digit number that's on the back of your card and hit submit. As you can see, there are taxes with every order. For 10 pieces, the taxes come to $4.40, so your total is $31.90. All right, so anyway, this is how you navigate your back office. I'm not sure why I'm not seeing a free piece, but rest assured, for every 10 pieces of jewelry that you purchase, you're going to get 1 free. All right, but this is how you navigate your back office. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. And thank you so much for watching Team Fabulosity.